Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, sir, the Honourable Prime Minister, the Honourable Leader of Opposition, Honourable Members, the Honourable Ministers and Assistant Ministers, Honourable Members of Parliament, and viewers attending live broadcast in today's session. Sambula Binak. Honourable Speaker, sir, I rise today to inform this August House of the significant initiative successfully undertaken by the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways, the completion of the 2025 National Agriculture Show held at Koroi Park in Nandi from the 16th to the 19th of September of this year. This event marked a milestone in our ongoing commitment to strengthening Fiji's agriculture sector. It brought together farmers, agribusiness, researchers, and the wider community to showcase innovations, share knowledge, and celebrate the vital role agriculture plays in our national development. Honourable Speaker, sir, I would like to begin by extending my heartfelt appreciation to the Momo Tuinawaka, the Momo Tuinandi for their gracious presence throughout the agriculture show. Their attendance, representing the Vanua of Nandi, was a powerful symbol of unity and support. It meant a great deal to the ministry and contributed significantly to the event's success. I also sincerely acknowledge the administrator of Nandi Town and his dedicated team for their generosity in allowing the ministry to host the 2025 National Agriculture Show at Koroi Park in Nandi. The venue, right in the heart of Nandi, proved to be an ideal location, accessible to all, from primary and secondary school students, teachers, youth, and elders of Nandi, to tourists, hoteliers, business people, and visitors from across the Western Division of Itilebu. One could simply step off the bus at the Nandi bus stand and walk straight into the vibrant atmosphere of the show. The choice of the venue not only enhanced public participation, but also played a vital role in the successful completion of the event. To all who made this possible. Honourable Speaker, sir, the National Agriculture Show is a significant annual event that celebrates the dedication, innovation, and achievement of farmers, agro-producers, agribusinesses, manufacturers, and importers of agricultural machines across the country. The Agriculture Show serves as a vital platform to showcase agricultural excellence, raise awareness on sustainable farming practices, and reinforce the role of agriculture in ensuring food nutrition secure for all Fijians. Honourable Speaker, sir, the 2025 National Agriculture Show drew a remarkable attendance of 26,834 individuals. The event showcased a vibrant mix of agriculture innovation and community engagement, with 75 booths in total. Of these, 39 were hosted by stakeholders including education institutions and government ministries, primarily displaying agricultural products and machinery. The Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways filled the remaining 36 booths with its operational divisions. Additionally, 17 stakeholders and 5 food vendors brought their own tents, adding to the diversity of the setup. A standout feature was the Farmers' Village, housed in 2 large stands where farmers and florists sold their goods directly to the public throughout the 4-day event. Notably, the Animal Health and Production Division's booth emerges as a major attraction, drawing considerable interest from visitors. Honourable Speaker, sir, agriculture plays a vital role in sustaining rural communities, and is the heart of the government's development strategy. By focusing on smarter, more efficient farming practices, enhancing infrastructure, and expanding access to market, the government aims to boost income opportunity, especially with those in rural and maritime areas. This is central to the vision of the ministry and of the coalition government as a whole. Investing in resource climate smart farming systems, promoting value addition, improve infrastructure, and strengthening market access The government is committed to creating more income-generating opportunities, particularly for the rural and maritime communities. This inclusive approach not only strengthens food security and uplifts youth and women through empowerment, but also lays the foundation of greater climate resilience and long-term economic growth across the nation. Honorable Speaker, the theme of the 2025 National Agriculture Show, Be Resilient, Produce Smart, Go Local, and Grow Agritourism, captures Fiji's strategic vision for a sustainable and inclusive agriculture future. This theme emphasizes the importance of resilience in the face of climate change and global disruption, encouraging farmers to adopt innovative climate-smart practices that boost productivity while preserving the natural resources. Go Local promotes self-reliance and food security by supporting local producers and reducing the dependence on imported products. The inclusion of agritourism reflects a growing synergy between agriculture and the tourism, showcasing how farms' traditional practices and local food system can become vibrant attractions that diversify income and celebrate Fiji's culture. Altogether, the theme aligns with national goal to strengthen rural economies, empower communities, and position agriculture as a dynamic driver on both economic growth and cultural pride. Highlighted below are related objectives of the show: to improve awareness to the general public and stakeholders on the types of services available within the ministry, to promote smart and sustainable agriculture practices, to encourage youth and women engagement in farming, provide farmers with access to new technologies and markets, and to strengthen partnership between the government, stakeholders, and the private sector. The overall execution of the show embodied the objectives through live representation, demonstrations, and information, material and advertisement disseminated through mainstream media, as well as updated, communicated through the official social media channels of the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways Facebook platform. Honorable Speaker, sir, on the standout achievement of the show was dynamic panel discussion held on day 2. The panel of discussion spotlighted the vital connection between agriculture and tourism, emphasizing the potential for local food systems to enrich the visitors' experience and strengthen economic resilience. Day 3 shifted focus to organic farming initiatives and policy frameworks, sparking throughout dialogue on sustainable practices and regulatory support. In insight shared by panelists laid a strong foundation of reviewing the agritourism task force, offering invaluable highlights in the static policy intervention needed from the Fiji government. These efforts encompass addressing the gap between local producers and the tourist sector, with the distinct aim to enhance food security, promote authentic Fijian culinary experiences, and empower rural communities through inclusive growth, reducing the national import bill for commodities that could be locally produced and sourced, and advocate for sustainable development through a sort of supply chain whereby minimize carbon footprints and align to Fiji's commitment to climate action. The discussion on organic interest has spotlighted the urgent need to formalize the Fiji national organic policy, emphasizing the importance of recognizing and valuing organic farming practices. These initiatives align closely with the Ministry's broader development goal, particularly in enhancing tourism sector through a resilient and sustainable food production system. By promoting organic agriculture, The policy not only supports environmental sustainability, but also contributes to public health and food security, key pillars in building a robust and economic conscious economy that benefits both local and visitors. Honorable Speaker, sir, another notable success of the Agriculture Show was the hosting of the Commodity Farmers Award on Thursday, 18 September, followed by the special awards ceremony later that evening. These events celebrated the dedication and achievement of farmers across both crops and livestock sector, as well as honorees for Ministry of Forestry, and a total of 46 awards were presented, 24 during the day and 22 in the afternoon, highlighting the importance of recognizing the tireless effort of those who work in the land. By honoring this individual, the ceremonies underscored the vital role farmers play in driving employment, ensuring food security, and continuing to the economic growth of the nation. Their recognition not only validates their hard work, but also inspires continued excellence and innovation in the agriculture sector. Honorable Speaker, sir, the Ministry allocated a budget of $230,000 for the 2025 National Agriculture Show, which successfully supported the event's core operations, including venue setups, booth construction, main stage arrangement, and wire and piping. This funding also covers the hiring of personnel and procurement of essential items for the 4-day show, along with the Farmers Award, meals and accommodation. Booths were offered to stakeholders at $500 each, generating $6,000 in revenue. In addition, sponsorship request yield $33,000 in cash and $26,737 in kind contribution, which greatly enhanced the Farmers Award. Divisional allocation further supported accommodation, meals, and displays arrangement, contributing $235,000, $235,503 to the overall effort. As the Ministry looks ahead in hosting future agriculture show, it continues to rely on government support to provide a budget that will deliver a bigger and better event. The Ministry extends its sincere gratitude to all donors and sponsors. Those generous contributions played a vital role in the success of both the award ceremony and the show as a whole. Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like to inform this August House that the Ministry will host the 2026 National Agriculture Show in Lamasa. This strategic decision reflects our commitment to decentralizing national event and recognizing the vital contribution of Onwelebu to Fiji's agriculture sector. I warmly encourage farmers, stakeholders, students, teachers, and the wider communities of Maduatambua and the Conroe to attend in great numbers and take full advantage of the opportunities this show presents. The event will showcase innovations, best practices, and market linkages while fostering learning and collaboration across the sector. Its impact will be far-reaching, stimulating economic activities, promoting agritourism, and empowering our rural communities. This is more than a show. It is a celebration of Onwelebu's agricultural potential and the catalyst for growth. Honorable Speaker, to conclude, the 2025 National Agriculture Show has once again demonstrated the resilient innovation and unity of agriculture sector. From the vibrant displays of local produce to the groundbreaking technologies showcased by our farmers and agribusiness, this event has reaffirmed agriculture as the backbone of our economy and the solution to high cost of living. As we move forward, let us harness the momentum to this show to strengthen food security, empower rural communities, and embrace climate practices. Together, we will cultivate a future where agriculture thrives and every citizen benefits from its growth. With those words, Honourable Speaker, sir, I thank you for the opportunity to deliver my ministerial statement.